battled fiercely for the first place. The audience was enraptured by the beautiful renditions presented in front of them.
हुनर को प्रमोट करने का ये मंच था काफी शानदार, जिसमें दिख रहा था जज्बा, कला और स्वर का अनूठा मिश्रण. This was Fun Asia's annual singing competition held in Texas, which was sponsored by Studio D.
We had hundreds and hundreds of applicants, after which we selected 36 that are performing today. They have just been shortlisted to the top 10, and after the top 10 we will have the winners, and after those winners we will have an audience choice. We'll have winners from the audience also, not just the judges.
Studio D has been a part of this program, this platform ever since its inception, and it gives us immense pride to be able to contribute to this platform. Fun Asia has been doing an amazing job getting the talent from our community exposure and providing them a platform to nurture and promote that talent, and it gives us amazing pride to be part of that. It has been a fantastic evening so far. The talent has been right on the spot, and I think the judges have a very tough job on their hands judging this competition.
टैलेंट का ये अंदाज देख judges were thrilled, and it got difficult for them and audience to choose the winner.
So glad Fun Asia has given a podium and opportunity for the young talent and all age talent actually to come forward. And every year we discover such gems out of the community. Last year the girl who became the winner has become overnight celebrity in town. Everywhere she's been singing, she's been doing stage shows. So this is a stepping stone for people to get ahead in their career, in the singing career given by Fun Asia.
It's just an honor, and I'm very humble that you contacted me to judge this wonderful program. It's tough, you're right, it's very tough, 36 contestants, and to break it down into, you know, the quality, the voice quality, and the different you know, criteria for the judging. But it's been wonderful, first time experience, and it's been really, really wonderful, and I thank you again, and wonderful job for Fun Asia to do this.
और आया वो मोमेंट जब डिक्लेयर किए गए विनर्स. विक्ट्री के एहसास से काफी खुश थे कंटेस्टेंट्स, और हो भी क्यों ना जब रंग लाई हो इनकी मेहनत इस तरह.
I'm so glad that I got to win this contest. I had come in last year and hoped for the best to come win this contest this year too. This is my trophy and I'm so excited.
This is the first competition I've been in that's hosted by Fun Asia, and it was amazing. I couldn't have expected any more. I got the audience favorite, and I'm so thankful to be here.
हर गाना खास था क्योंकि हर कंटेस्टेंट का अंदाज अलग था. हर आवाज में जैसे कशिश थी. जब इतना हो टैलेंट कम्युनिटी में, तो क्यों ना दिया जाए इन्हें मौका, जो प्रोवाइड करती रहती है फन एशिया थ्रू सच कॉम्पिटिशंस एवरी ईयर.